We are G2team2 and today we'll be showing you our question one pipeline. So for our first question, we have four jobs and the first job was to clean the data. So to clean the data, we identify the key fields and we drop the rows with the missing key fields. Yep. So that we can get rid of any nulls early on. And we also feature engineered it so that we included a new variable called route, which is consisted of origin and destination. And then we can run it. So actually there is a current run right now. That's why there was now it's currently running. The first job is currently running. So here is the second job. And for this job, the purpose of this job is to read the clean CSV data and compute monthly averages for arrival delay, weather delay, and carrier delay. Those are the most important ones. So we can also run this, and then we can see the run details. Okay, so now job 2 is done. So we will now go to job 3. And then job 3 is to feature engineer more features. So for this job, we feature engineered the cascading delay features. Yeah, this is where we calculated the cascading delay variable. And then we also can run it. However, this one takes quite a bit of time. So let's go to job 4 and take a look at that one. So job 4 actually just combines all the output. It combines all the output into shit. And so will also be run. Okay, so while that is running, let's look at the let's look at the Athena query, which is the Athena query console, which is where we will query the data that we have ran with the jobs. So after this job is done, the data will be combined, and then we will query the data into separate tables in Athena for ease of usage of the data. So this table is to create, so this query is to create the table Q1 airline monthly delays. So this one only includes the arrival delay, weather delay, and carrier delay variables. And the table will be here in Q1 airline monthly delays. These are the variables, and we can preview the table to show that there is data. And this is the query result. And then for the next table, we have another query called create external table. Airline project Q1 route monthly delay. So this one um, includes the routes. So this one will be in here. And then we will preview the table. And this is the data. Then the last table will be for the cascading metrics. Here's a cascading metrics table, and we can preview that also, and then we will have the results. So that is the Athena tables. So let's check the jobs. Okay, so job 4 has succeeded, but let's see. Job 3 does take a while, so we will come back to that later. So now let's look at the last part of our pipeline, which is in QuickSight. Okay, so in QuickSight, we have so first what we did was we had various analysis and then we combined everything into one dashboard. So let's take a look at one of the examples of the analysis that we had. So this is so is this. Let's take a look at this. So here, for QuickSight, because for QuickSight, the dashboard can only be created um with one sheet and it cannot merge. We found that we couldn't merge multiple sheets together. So what we did was that we had to combine all the data from different tables and join them. We joined it here, as you can see, to create all these visualizations. Yeah. So these are the data and we joined it all together. So let's look at job 3. Job 3 is still, oh, oops, I refreshed the whole page. Job 3 is still running. And then after this, after we made the analysis here, we combined it all into one dashboard. So for the dashboard, this is the final product Q1 analysis dashboard. And we combined it all together. Okay, so you can see that the job 3 has run successfully. So that is our pipeline and these are our dashboards.